I think you just chopped them in half.
This is a fucking tape cutter. Jackass. I haven't used one of these in years. What the fuck? Was this all wet?
Your mom likes a tip cutter.
Oh god. Oh god. I know, you kept calling me and texting me. Everybody just wondering where the fuck this stuff's at. I bet I know why he said that. He was a neighbor. He didn't want me suspecting something. I'm like, I don't care. Oh! Hold you. Make sure that was And finally, this is a heavy son of a bitch too. That's heavy. Holy fuck. Fuck.
Oh, be careful with the box.
That's why I didn't want to use the other side. I want to use the cutter instead. 1, 2, 3.
Oh no. Get some packaging.
Wait. Yes. Tape. Oh, okay. You can. Whoa.
Don't forget to show the people. Some WASD keys.
Nice.
The MMO.
And finally, the product itself. Very nice. Now we have the RMA.
The non-matching USB colors.
That's kind of upsetting. Alright, let's get this
Let's
out.
hear the click of MX Blue.
Ready?
All right.
Oh my god, it's so fucking clicky.
Strafe. Let's do it.